Hello everyone, and welcome to this episode. Today, we'll be discussing nest families in Revit. Nesting in Revit allows us to place families within other families, enabling us to display their combined geometries and have them function as a single unit within a project. There are many use cases for nested families, such as repeating components or creating parametric elements in an array. There are also cases where grouping a set of families together is highly convenient, for example, an electrical cabinet along with its accessories like an electrical panel, door handle, keys, lights, labels, and so on. However, if we nest these components within a cabinet system family, we won't be able to count those accessories separately later on. That's where shared nested families become useful. By setting the electrical cabinet as the base family and making its accessories shared nested elements, we get the best of both worlds, the convenience of placing a complete unit in the project and the ability to access and schedule each nested element individually. To import these nested families, go to the Insert tab and choose Load Family. Select the families you want to load, then click Open. The loaded families will appear in the project browser under Families, Generic Models. Click the plus sign to expand the list and you'll see them there. I've already loaded some accessories for this electrical cabinet. In the next part, I'll show you how to place them on the cabinet, just like in the example I showed earlier. In conclusion, using nested families in Revit, especially shared nested families, provides greater flexibility and control in your projects. It allows for efficient placement of complex assemblies while still maintaining the ability to schedule and manage individual components. By understanding and applying nesting properly, you can enhance both the functionality and organization of your Revit models. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more Revit tips in the next episode.